dark muscovado sugar. I'm making this into a sort of dark, malevolently dark syrup. So I pour in 250 ml of recently boiled water over it. And I know it looks like an awful lot of water to put in the cake, but that's what really counteracts the dry quality of the cocoa and makes every mouthful just melt. Anyway, now, dry ingredients. I need 225 grams of potato flour. It's very simple, this cake. Very hard to weigh out flour, measure it out.
Bless you.